In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new employee to Xero Payroll. By the end, you'll know how to invite a new hire to securely enter their own details, saving you time and reducing data entry errors. First, make sure you're signed in with the right permissions. You'll need payroll admin access to add employees. From your Xero dashboard, open the payroll area. This is your hub for pay runs, employee records, and settings, so it's the best place to start any payroll task. Next, go into the Employees section. This shows your current team and any pending invites. It's also where you'll manage new profiles, so you can keep everything in one place and easy to find later. Choose New Employee. Instead of manually keying in every field, we're going to use Xero's self-onboarding feature. Click Invite to Self-Onboard. This option sends a secure invite so your new hire can provide their personal details directly, which helps ensure accuracy for things like tax and bank information. You'll now confirm the type as employee. This tells Xero you're adding a standard staff member who will be paid through payroll. It's an important choice because it affects how the person is set up for pay and reporting. Select the income type next. This determines how the pay is categorized and reported. For most standard hires, choose Salary and Wages. If your organization uses different income types for certain roles, make sure you've aligned this selection with your internal policies before you proceed. Enter the employee's first name and last name. Accuracy matters here, as this information flows through to pay slips and reports. Then enter their email address. This is where the self-onboarding invite will be delivered, so double-check it for typos. If possible, use an email the employee checks regularly to speed up the process. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. Xero will email the employee a secure link to complete their own personal, tax, and bank details. That way, you avoid collecting sensitive information over less secure channels, and the data goes straight into their profile. After sending, you can monitor the invite status in the employees list. If the invite hasn't been accepted after a while, follow up with the employee to confirm they received it, and you can resend the invite if needed. Once they complete onboarding, review their details before the first pay run to ensure everything is set correctly. That's it. You've added a new employee to Xero Payroll and invited them to self-onboard quickly, securely, and accurately.